Hey guys, Mike here. I'm going to make this quick, not much of a video, just want to do an update on where the car stands right now. Basically got the body on it, got the wings all on it, everything's painted, ready to go. The side nerfs are on there for transportation. Not much has changed with the car, that we've got all the parts to put the car together. We're just waiting on our graphics to get designed, and I can approve it, and then we'll bring it down and get it all lettered up, and then after that we'll roll back in here, we'll put all the axles and everything back in it. We'll be ready to go racing, get you guys some good footage. We did end up getting the right motor mounts, so that's good. Those are the new style motor mounts for the car. I've got my engines. I've got my primary engine there, and I've got my backup engine here. So I've got two engines now, possibly working on a third one, and then basically just going through and cleaning out what is broken, torn up, or vice versa. So that's the cylinder head off the first motor we blew up. The head was bad on this one. Where is it at? Let's see. This cam journal here, suffocated for oil. That was something I found out after teardown. So the lifter ended up sticking inside the bore. So that's no good. And the crank, this was the one that spun the rod bearing. Well, it shot the rod bearing out of it. So that one lost oil there. And then I was working on my backup head. Got the other head here. I just went through it, wrapped it up, put the covers on it and all that, and the intake on it, so if I need to grab it quick, I can slap it on a motor. And then a couple other spare parts, stuff like that. Eventually we'll get another block and build another motor, so at least I have 3 of them. Because the intentions are, like right now the truck is being put back together. That is the arm off the truck. That's the upper. I've got the lower in it, the spindle and everything on it. All that's machined. I just got the wrong upper. My truck is a geometric frame. I ended up ordering a geometric upper, but it doesn't run a geometric upper. It's got a late model upper. Same thing with the ball joint. So, the truck, we're rebuilding that. That's going to take a little bit, a lot. It's mostly body work. The suspension isn't bad. It's all body work. But this thing will get back together in no time once we get it lettered in graphics. We'll just throw it back together and get some good racing footage for you guys. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We also reached 4,000 subscribers. Thank you, everyone, for the support. That means a lot. And we will be doing the giveaway soon. I said we were going to do a giveaway when we hit 4,000. I'm going to stick to it. We will be doing a giveaway. That will be in the next video. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. Thank you. Bye.